Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. I am in the middle of Super Bowl weekend. I'm in the middle of cooking, organizing, getting things ready. I'm hungry. A lot of people gonna say, oh, this ain't no old school. This is what I'm fixing to fix me, y'all. I said I might want to do a little video for it because this is my go-to meal. I already told y'all before, but this is my favorite. I never showed y'all my favorite. This is my favorite one. Lasagna and real cheese. This is my favorite hamburger helper. It is, y'all. So I got a double. I always use extra meat. Instead of 1 pound of meat, I'm using 2 pounds of ground meat, y'all. So yeah, this is my go-to meal when I'm busy. Got other stuff going on. This is what I'm doing, y'all. And I got a video coming out. Y'all will probably see it Monday. I don't know when y'all gonna see this video. Probably Saturday. I'm trying to get it up Saturday. Of my preparation, how I prep for my Super Bowl and the ins and outs and all that of it. So that's what I'm in the middle of now, doing my Super Bowl cooking. So I said, I'm hungry. I want something to eat. I pulled me some ground meat out earlier this morning. I say this will work absolutely amazing. The only thing I'm doing different, y'all, I got a lot of ground meat. I want a lot of meat in my pasta here. So anyway, y'all know the thing on this. I gotta, I'm gonna step off, get this browned up, y'all. I'm gonna drain it off, put the pasta in there with the sauce, hit it with the little, you know, I always use my fresh whole kernel. Say that fast real 10 times. My whole kernel corn, kind of fill it out. And this gonna last me a couple of days. I'm gonna eat on this couple of days because Super Bowl Sunday ain't for 2 or 3 days away, y'all. So I gotta find something to eat before the end. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, I drained the ground meat here. So all we're gonna do, y'all, do just like to say on the box here. We're gonna put this in here. Like I say, y'all, this is nothing fancy, nothing y'all ain't seen before. I think it's what, 3 cups of water in this thing. What do we say on here? 3 cups of water. That's 2 right there. A little milk in there, you see? That'll do it here. A little milk in there. Let's say this is my go-to right now, y'all, for survival. Go-to for survival here, y'all. Especially this week, I'm busy with this, getting everything ready for the Super Bowl here. Alrighty. Throw that in there. Mix this up, throw this corn in there. I'll tell y'all, this is my favorite one of all the hamburger helpers they make. And I'm gonna throw my corn in there. I'm gonna drain my corn, y'all. I won't put any extra liquid in there that I don't need. Like I say, y'all, this is just a filler. Then all we gotta do is put our pasta in there, and we'll be good to go. Here, let me throw the pasta in there. There we go. That's it. This will last me a couple of days, y'all, while I'm busy working on the party. Survival meal today. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at this, y'all. This is goodness here, y'all. This is my pot of goodness right here. So what I do, I'm gonna cover this up, y'all, about usually 15, 20 minutes, and let that kind of marry together. It'll thicken up a little bit more. Y'all made hamburger helper. You know you made it before. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. But it's so good, y'all, because it's so quick, and you can feed a lot of people with this hamburger helper. And you see how much meat I put in mine. So Gonna be a meaty hamburger helper. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off here, let that sit up a little bit, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna have a bowl of dinner for me while I'm working on the Super Bowl. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Wow. I'm telling y'all, this is how I survive and still survive. I ain't no shame in my game here, y'all. And this is my favorite. I'm telling y'all, this is my favorite hamburger helper. It's the lasagna one. Look at this here. And y'all, I did put some salt and pepper in it. Season it up a little. Survival 101. And you can put anything you want in it, y'all. I'll put corn, put peas, green beans, throw some frozen carrots in there. Anything to stretch it. I'm talking about put some barbecue sauce on top of it. Don't judge me. But anyway, y'all, we want to show you a little meal here. A little quick 10-minute meal, 15-minute meal. I'm going to eat on for the next couple of days. On Sunday, I'm going to be full as a chick, all this food I'm cooking for Sunday. But anyway, y'all, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch3B, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a... No, it ain't. 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.